Hi everyone, welcome to Self-Balance. I'm the acupuncturist Szenan-Balance. Now today our topic is how to use acupressure point for heel pain. What do you call knuckle, right? To get to the point. Because just if you're using your thumb, it can't get to the point. In general, it can't get to the point. If in acupuncture you watch this video and it's so simple, you just detect the point and then press needle in. That's it. But if you put needle in, it's gonna be painful with this one, okay? Because it's on your palm. Now let's have a look. This is foot, right? Heel is over here, right? A heel pain. A heel pain can be just one spot, or in general, it'll be a bigger area, and some probably an outward a bit, some to the inward, right? It doesn't matter which one, right? So what we're gonna treat is over here on the palm here. So look at this, and if my hand is my foot, this is my leg, where is my heel? Heel is just exactly over here, right? And that's easy. So that's why I say that you need to put pressure on here to get the answer point. If you're an acupuncturist, you put one needle in here and 目关骨关, those 2 points, and it'll work, right? It'll work. But for patient if you suffer from heel pain, needle here, I would suggest you get tube to put it in, right, rather than freehand, right? If your patient you suffer from this, then I would suggest you get something like this, or use a knuckle to press along here, right? And how do you press? You just press. You must press hard. In this case, each of it from here to here, right? Go over here, because what happened? Some pain is just very on the edges, on the outside in here, or in the inside over here, or on the edges, and that pain will be, the sensitive point will be on over here, right? If the pain is in the middle, then it'll be in here, all right? When you hit the pain, just give it wrapping like this, right? Give it some wrapping, right? Over here and over here, wow. So you might want to get up to here, right? So about that far from the wrist to here, right? Get to the point, and then acupuncturist, you can put one needle in here, 2 needle in here, and those 3 points together are very good for heel pain. But as I said, get to the point, get to the most sensitive point, or work even better. Which means I try in my case for my patients, sometimes I put 3 needles and the patient still feel the pain, and then the patient will get relief instantly. But if you want to treat it properly, get the most sensitive one as well as get the other sensitive point as well, right? Hi from Norway. Hi, how are you, Eric? Thank you for saying hi to me. Yep. So this point will work very, very well. And I learned it from Dr. Tan, to be honest, and always teach this point in the workshop. Dr. Tan always taught at this point and there. And I'm going to show you another point that I show to my patient, and when they walk in, I just try on this point without needle. Or if you, okay, if you're patient, you don't know what point is that, and I'm going to show you on the same side. If you have right heel pain, you do it on the right side. Left heel pain, you do it on the left side. Okay, but if your right heel pain, you do it on right side, it doesn't work very well for you, then you change to the opposite side, it'll work too. Okay. Oops. Accidentally press something on the Instagram. Can you guys see it now? Okay, good. Okay, now it's over here. Here's the earlobe. On behind your earlobe, right? Keep going until here. Over here, which is 风池 point. When acupuncture is 风池 point. Above the 风池 point, anything over here on the scalp, underneath, not in here, right? Underneath, that is sensitive over here. Always sensitive. And for this sensitive point, I don't suggest you push it like this. I suggest you use this, 5 fingers all close together and tap it over here. You press it first, then you get the sensitive point, then you press it over here. Just like this. Tap it on the bone. The direction is from the bottom go up. And that will work well for heel pain. If an acupuncturist just simply get to the point and then needle it, the needles will go on there and touching the bone, all right? Don't do it without bone, underneath will be, you make sure underneath is bone, okay? And with your needle, and that'll be very safe, and touch the bone and slowly get a bit of stimulation. It can be very sensitive over there. You touch the scalp bone and it will give you instant relief. That is when Dr. Tan draw the map for us, and then we found it over here for heel pain. It works very, 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 very well, right? Trust me. All right. Hello, Mina. Thank you for saying hello to me. Please give a thumbs up and share it as well. So we're gonna keep a live video short today. And so heel pain 2 point, 1 over here, this area, get to the point and press it for 30 seconds or 15 seconds or even longer, okay? It can be many points over there depending on how big it's, where the pain is. If the pain is in a bigger area on the heel, it can be more point over here. But I would suggest you get the most sensitive one done. Do the most sensitive one first, okay? Then the second point is under here, right? If you know acupuncture, you know this is Phua Ltd point and above Phua Ltd point on the scalp, right? If you don't know acupuncture, then you just a patient, just go behind your earlobe and go. There's a bone over here. Go over the bone and right up here, and that is the point. And as I said, using this to tap it, and it will give you instant relief. And do it every day until there's no pain. Then you will get much relief from your heel. Okay, even though you may get you may just fix your on heel problem. Okay, now if you need an you may not be able to fix it yourself. You may not be able to get to the end. Then therefore you need an acupuncturist to help you further to check your organs functions. Right. So organ function, the most related to here is kidney organs. All right. So we need to boost up your kidney and get a kidney meridian. The blood and qi go to the kidney meridian and it'll heal your heel. Right. And a lot of heel problem is the bone spur issues. Right. Now we know people say bone spur, and a lot of people go and get a surgery, but guess what? It grows back again and again and again. And we have very good experience with this treatment by using acupuncture, and eventually they don't get any pain. But guess what? In China, we get the x-ray again and the bone spur still there. I have to be honest to you, the bone spur doesn't really cause pain. The reason it causes pain is because there's lack of circulation, right? So be in mind, try your acupuncture or acupressure point and tap here, and hopefully it will all help, right? Stay awesome, and I'll see you tomorrow. See you. Bye-bye.